Yes, my lord. My lord, first, my lord, I'll uh, have your lordship to just have a relook at my lord section 196A, my lord. I'll read it, my lord, for your lordship's convenience once again. What does it say, my lord? Prosecution for certain classes of the criminal conspiracy punishable under section 120B of the Penal Code. This is the heading, my lord. In a case, it is page 3, my lord, page. Yes, yes, my lord. It is page 310, my lord. In a case where the object of the conspiracy is to commit either an illegal act other than an offense or a legal act by illegal means, or an offense to which the provisions of section 196, my lord, applies. So 196 is also covered under section 196A, my lord. So 196 deals with 121, 122, 122A, my lord. So substantive offences as well as, my lord, the conspiracy 120B is covered under class 1. So we are not concerned with class 2, my lord. Therefore, the argument of the other side that it will not applicable to the substantive offence because it covers under section 196 as well. So far as, my lord, the repealing and repealed act is concerned, my lord, there is a saving clause, my lord. I would like to supply your lordship the copy of that, my lord, Reorganization Act. If your lordship will just have a look, my lord, at rule 14 and 13, my lord, Perimeteria section 6 of the general clause, please. My lord, yes, my lord, it is removal of difficulties order 2019 of the Reorganization Act. If your lordship will just have a look at, my lord, rule 13. Rule 13, my lord, it is not section, it is removal of difficulties in the same act, my lord, Reorganization Act. I have photocopy with, my lord, one of my colleague will supply, my lord, to it. Yes, my lord, it is, please, my lord. It is, my lord, the rule 13, my lord, Reorganization Act. It is removal of difficulties act. The act repealed in the manner provided in table 3 of the 5th schedule shall not affect the previous operation of any law so repealed or anything done or suffered thereunder. Then clause B, my lord, any right, privilege, obligation, liability acquired, accrued, incurred under any law so repealed, any penalty, forfeiture, punishment incurred in respect of any offence committed against any law so repealed, any investigation, legal proceeding or remedy in respect of any such right, privilege, obligation, liability, penalty, forfeiture and punishment as aforestated. This is Perimeteria clause, section 6 of the General Clause Act. And yes, my lord. It can't be. Yes, my lord. Please. Please. Yes, my lord. My lord, in fact, in fact, in fact, my lord, there is already a division bench judgment on the issue. My lord, division bench judgment of the Honorable High Court, and relying on your lordship's judgment, my lord, of 2012, my lord. Your lordship's judgment 2012, my lord, it is 2012. It is 2000. I'll I'll provide, my lord. I'll Yes, my lord. It is 2012, my lord. 8 SCC 669 669, my lord. Yes, my lord. If your lordship will just, my lord, have it at a look at para 11 of the judgment, my lord. Para 11 is the, my lord, section 6 of the General Clause Act, and then para 14 would be relevant, my lord. Viewed from this angle, clause C and E of section 6 of the General Clause Act becomes relevant for the present case. Subclause C says that if any Central Act repeals any enactment, the repeal shall not affect any right, privilege, obligation, liability acquired, accrued, incurred under any enactment so repealed. In this case, the right which has accrued to the investigating agency to investigate the crime which took place prior to the coming into force of the new act and which was covered by the 1947 act remained unaffected by reason of clause C of the section 6. Clause E says that repeal shall not affect any investigation, legal proceeding also, my lord. Legal proceeding includes, my lord, the proceeding before the court, or remedy in respect of any such right, privilege, obligation. My lord, my lord, the investigation is, my lord, investigation is proceeded with legal proceeding, remedy. It is not only. Yes, my lord. My my lord, this, my lord, there is earlier judgment. So it falls for your lordship's consideration, no, my lord, whether the procedure of the repealed act or repealing act will apply to the. But as far as, my lord, the judgment, earlier judgment, there is another judgment, my lord, Sanjay Kumar Rai, my colleague must have supplied to your lordship, my lord. In that judgment also, the division bench, my lord, after considering the various judgment of your lordship, has, my lord, came to the conclusion rule that in all those, my lord, cases which are pending before the court, in which the FIR was lodged before the repealing act came into being. So the repealing act came into being, my lord, on 31st of October 2019. So this judgment, my lord, which I have just supplied, my lord, they said that the section 6 of the General Clause Act 1947 and this clause 13 and 14 of the, my lord, this act, Reorganization Act, my lord, they came to the conclusion that as this interpretation would lead to application of the repealed CRPC to all those proceedings which are pending before the court in which the FIR was lodged before coming into being of the repealed act, my lord. I I bo I bo my lord, yes, my lord. My lord, I'm not on that point, my lord. The point is that it is your lordship's judgment, my lord, that a repealing act will not supersede the proceeding pending, my lord. If your lordship will just have a look, my lord, at this judgment of the division bench of the High Court. My lord, equally true is equal. It is, my lord, that is what this, my lord, that is what the saving clause says, my lord. That is what the saving clause. Let me read it again, my lord. Please, please, my lord. Yes, my lord, there is one judgment of the, my lord, division bench of the Honorable High Court. It is Sanjay Kumar Rai versus State versus UT, my lord, on the same issue. Your lordship may just have a look at it, my lord. Yes, my lord. Please, your lordship. Yes, my lord. Yes. Yes, my lord. Please, your lordship. Please, please, your lordship. Please, your lordship. Any investigation, legal proceeding, or remedy, class D, my lord. Any investigation, legal proceeding, or remedy in respect of any such right, privilege, obligation, liability, penalty. My, my lord,